Don't stop scrolling. If you have a smartphone and internet, you are literally holding a money-making machine in your hands right now. I know if you're a newcomer or if you just reached on this channel, you're like, oh my God, what is she talking about? This is what exactly I'm talking about. Do you have a smartphone? Do you have Wi-Fi? Or you always put internet? You're on live? Are you scrolling right now? Yes. Most people use their phones to watch videos all day. They use their phone to sit on live from morning up to evening on some specific platforms. But what does smart people do? They use the same phone to make money every single day. Do you know you can know how to make money right now? It's okay. Let me show you the simplest ways to start immediately. No stress, no expensive setup, nothing. But before we start, I would love to put a big disclaimer that this video is for educational purposes. I'm just giving you tips. So tomorrow don't fail if you don't adhere and you're like, Immaculate told us. No, I just bring for you tips. To my special engagers, top ones on all social media platforms, I love you so much. Let's dive in and see exactly what are these easiest ways, simplest ways, no stress, no capital. What you need is your smartphone. The first way is content creation. Create content, you guys. Open apps like TikTok, the one you're seated on from morning up to evening, arguing and discussing on matters, personal matters, you're discussing country matters, world matters. At the end of the day, you find your discussion, you're not getting money. Facebook, YouTube, all this one will give you money. Talk, you can sit and talk on live. You can teach, you can entertain, you can share your daily life. All these ones will give you money. You don't need a camera, no. You don't need expensive things. What you need, your phone is enough. Post consistently and earn through views, earn through ads, and through brand deals. Affiliate marketing is one way to promote other people's products using your phone. When someone buys through your link, you get paid. No product, no stress, just a smartphone and a smart promotion. Freelancing. You use your phone to offer services. What are these services? Services like writing, services like social media management, graphic designs, if you use apps. You can go to platforms like Fiverr, Upwork. These ones can literally pay you daily. Should we talk of reselling? This is one of the best ones. You can find products online. You can post them on your WhatsApp. You can post them on your Instagram or Facebook. When someone orders, you earn profit without even owning a stock. Then you can go live, like how you always go live on TikTok, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on other potential platforms. Platforms now, they pay for live gifts. They pay you stars. They can even support. You can support you in any ways from different ways. You have seen a lot of people going live and they ask you, send me rose. Or some people are going live and are asking for help. So yes, you can literally talk and get paid. But you have to talk with a focus. You have to talk when you know what you're doing. The truth is, it's not about having a phone. It's about using it wisely. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your phone turn into your daily income. Your phone is either making you money or it is wasting your money. So let me ask you right now, is your phone making you money or your phone is wasting your money? Let's know from the comment section and let us know if this video is helpful for you. Thank you. See you in another video.